Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna do a turkey hunt today out here in Croom. We got my buddy Clint. He's kind of walking me through the process, gonna see what we can find. He's gonna do the calling. Should be a fun time, so see if we can get some footage. We'll keep it posted. Thanks.
Kayak, you know what I mean? Then you could be right over there where they roost at. They go left to one side,
You just
buzz over. If they go right to the other side, you just buzz over.
Alright, headed back to the house now. Just got done hiking the woods. We ended up bouncing around. We started in a spot this morning and heard birds, and it seemed like they were on the other side of where we were, so we had to change plans, relocate, and we did that and started moving around and found the birds again. Might not have been the same ones, might have been different ones. We're not too sure because there was a couple sets out, it seemed like. But got on some more birds, and they were responding, so we were trying to get them to come to us, and it seemed like they were just responding and not really interested. So then we tried to cut them off in the direction they were moving and ended up finding some new ones, and then just couldn't get them to come in. So it was fun, something new. We'll try it again next year for sure. I think I'm gonna put some time in at the house and try to get them coming in, see if I can keep Winchester from tearing stuff up and running them off. But it'll be fun. Hope you guys enjoy a little bit of the action.